Apple walnut salad with honey mustard dressing, a perfect crunchy delight. Looking for a salad that's fresh, crunchy, and bursting with flavor? This apple and walnut salad with honey mustard dressing is the perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and nutty goodness. Whether you need a quick lunch, a vibrant side dish, or a healthy option to impress your guests, this recipe is an absolute winner. Ingredients: serves for 2 crisp apples, such as Honeycrisp or Granny Smith, thinly sliced. Half a cup walnuts, toasted. 4 cups mixed greens, spinach, arugula, or romaine. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 1/3 cup crumbled feta or goat cheese. 1/4 cup dried cranberries. For the honey mustard dressing: 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1/2 tsp salt. 1/4 tsp black pepper. How to make it? Start by toasting the walnuts in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're golden brown and fragrant. Set them aside to cool. In a large bowl, toss the mixed greens with the sliced apples, red onion, dried cranberries, and crumbled feta or goat cheese. The contrast of crisp apples with creamy cheese creates a delightful texture in every bite. For the dressing, whisk together the olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper until well combined. This dressing brings a luscious, slightly tangy flavor that perfectly complements the natural sweetness of the apples. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything together until evenly coated. Top with the toasted walnuts for a final crunch. Why you'll love this salad. This salad is a powerhouse of flavors and textures. The crisp apples add freshness, the walnuts bring a rich nuttiness, and the honey mustard dressing ties everything together with a delightful sweetness. Plus, it's packed with nutrients, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making it not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. Would you pair this salad with a main dish or enjoy it on its own? Let us know in the comments.